Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw the Ford GT40. Begin by lightly sketching the basic outline of the car using simple geometric shapes. Think of the main body as a long rectangle, the cabin as a smaller box on top, and the wheels as perfect circles. Pay close attention to the overall proportions, ensuring the car's length is about 3 times its height. This initial step is crucial for getting the foundational structure correct before adding details. Now, let's refine those basic shapes into the GT40 iconic silhouette. Gently connect your initial lines, smoothing out any sharp corners to capture the car's sleek, aerodynamic form. Emphasize the low roofline and the powerful, flared wheel arches. Don't forget to sketch in the distinctive side air intakes and the aggressive front splitter, which are key visual elements of this legendary vehicle. These details bring the car to life. With the main body defined, it's time to add the crucial details that make it unmistakably a Ford GT40. Carefully draw the round headlights and the rectangular taillights, paying attention to their placement and size. Sketch the windshield and side windows, ensuring they follow the cabin's curvature. Don't forget the subtle lines for the doors, the fuel filler cap, and the vents on the rear engine cover. These small elements significantly enhance the drawing's realism. Finally, let's bring your GT40 drawing to completion. Focus on the wheels, adding the intricate spoke patterns of the rims and the texture of the tires. Once the outlines are complete, begin applying shading to give your drawing depth and dimension. Use darker tones in areas like under the car, inside the wheel wells, and along the lower body panels to create shadows and highlight the car's powerful contours. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money, as well as other deals. This final step truly makes your drawing pop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.